Hi, I'm Ann Hancock. You probably have a great life, a beautiful home, a good job, and a partner you love. There are things you want for yourself and the people around you. So you plan, make lists, manage your time, and zoom through life. But you know there's something not quite right when you and the person you love walk on eggshells. You try to make things better, and sometimes it goes well. Other times, the harder you try, the worse it gets. Then something happens, and it can take hours, days, even weeks to recover. You feel frustrated, criticized, shut out, hurt, and alone. And what you want is to feel heard, desired, accepted, and understood. You want peace, and what you're looking for is connection. Beyond work, accomplishments, and children, there is love and connection. You've tried everything, but where you are is not where you want to be. And the standard stuff just isn't working anymore. It's time to get back to basics and the way you want to feel when you share your life with someone you love. Our focus is helping couples connect, and it's pretty much all we do at Wellness. We value authenticity, and we collaborate with you so you can create the relationship you want. You can do this. I call it Partnership with Heart. And we start with the way you want to feel and the way you want your relationship to be. Are you ready? Do you want to be close? Ask yourself, what is it I really want? Today can be the beginning of a new life. At Wellness, our work is focused, and our intensives are powerful launch pads for repairing your relationship and putting things back on track. You know what you want, and if your relationship is important to you and you want to be close, this is it. This could be the day. Contact us, and we're happy to share more about our 1-day and 2½-day intensives and all that we do at Wellness. It's your life, your decision, your relationship.